Hello students, welcome to your Maths Fun World. Kids, in the previous video, we had learned the concept of pattern in shapes and pattern in alphabets. Today, we will learn pattern in figures and numbers. Pattern makes things look beautiful. Patterns हर चीज को beautiful बना देता है. We see patterns everywhere. On curtains, animal skins, rangoli, on umbrella, on dresses. Even moon also makes an interesting pattern in 15 days. Now, let's learn patterns in numbers. Look at these numbers. Here, numbers are arranged in ascending order, means increasing order. So, it is an increasing number pattern. Number patterns में rules भी होते हैं. Example, यहाँ rule है add 1 every time. अब 1 के just after 2 है, तो 1 में हम 1 add करेंगे. So, we get another number 2. अब 2 के बाद another number है 3. So, we will add 2 plus 1. We get another number 3. And then we will add 3 plus 1. We get another number 4 after 3. And in 4, we will add 1 to get another number 5 after 4. And in 5, we will again add 1 to get another number 6. And after 6, we will add 1 in 6 to get another number 7 after 6. And in 7, add 1 to get another number 8 after 7. Add 1 in 8 to get another number 9 after 8. And at last, add 1 in 9 to get the last number after 9, 10. Do you know kids, ऐसा increasing number pattern आपको कीपैड फोन में या फिर स्मार्टफोन में जब भी आप कोई नंबर डायल करते हो तब मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट increasing number pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. यहाँ पर कौन सा रूल फॉलो हुआ है? रूल इज add 2 every time. As 2 के just after 4 है, it means 2 में 2 add करेंगे, so we will get another number 4. 4 के just after 6 है, तो हम 4 में 2 add करेंगे, so we will get 6. 6 के just after 8 है, तो हम 6 में 2 add करेंगे, so we will get 8. और 8 के just after 10 है, so we will add 2 in 10. Now, look at this number pattern. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, numbers are arranged in decreasing order. So, this is decreasing number pattern. Do you know, यहाँ पर भी एक rule follow हुआ है. That is, subtract 1 every time. As 10 की just after 9 है, so we will subtract 1 from 10. We get another number 9. और 9 के just after 8 है, so we will subtract 1 from 9. We get 8. और 8 के just after 7 है, so we will subtract 1 from 8. We get another number 7. 7 के just after 6 है, so we will subtract 1 from 7. So we get another number 6. 6 के just after 5 है, so we will subtract 1 from 6. We will get another number 5. 5 के just after 4 है, so we will subtract 1 from 5. We get another number 4. 4 के just after 3 है, so we will subtract 1 from 4 to get another number 3. 3 के just after 2 है, so we will subtract 1 from 3. we get another number 2. And at last, after 2 is 1. So we will separate 1 from 2. And we get the last number 1. Kids, can you tell me, यहाँ कौन सा rule follow किया गया है? Here, numbers are arranged in repetitive order. यहाँ उन numbers को repeat किया गया है जो पहले आए हुए हैं. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Again, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Again, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So, I hope kids, now you may have understood the concept of number patterns in repetitive order, increasing order, and decreasing order. Now, it's your practice time. Question is, continue the number pattern in repetitive order. Second question is, complete the number pattern in ascending order. And the last question is, complete the number pattern in descending order. So that's it for today, kids. Till then, keep on smiling and also make others smile.